What is an SSL certificate and why do you need one on your website? Hi, I'm Nancy Fields. I've been building WordPress websites for about 10 years and I am excited to share with you what an SSL certificate is and why you need one. SSL stands for Secure Socket Layers. Yeah, but what is that? Well, it's a special code that is put on your website and it keeps your data transfer more secure so that when you are asking someone for their credit card information, they can be assured that it's safe. And what it looks like when you have an SSL certificate is this where you see HTTPS before a website URL. If you don't have that, what ends up happening, you have this not secure warning on your website. So whether or not you ask for credit cards or not, you really do need an SSL certificate these days. So where do you get one? You get one from your website host. And how much are they? Well, they're between $10 and $180 per year. And there again, it depends on what kind of service that you need and how much security you feel that you need. And I'm excited to share with you that you for free can come and get some free training. It's called 10-Minute Mondays. Go to my website, fieldsgraphicdesign.com, sign up, and you'll get an email invitation. Hope to see you there.